We got an iPhone access with automatic power off in 3-4 minutes, and while you insert the charger, iPhone failed to power on. But if you unplug the charger, then the iPhone powered on. What is the main issue and how you can easily fix that? I mentioned in the video. Keep watching. If the iPhone was a random reboot, then the iOS captures the panic log data. By this you can easily find what the problem is. If you face such issues, then first check your panic log data of yours. To see, follow the instruction. Go to Settings, scroll down. Tap on Privacy and Security, scroll down. Tap on Analytics and Improvements. Tap on Analytics Data. Scroll down till you can see Panic Full. So many logs here. Open the latest one. You can see sometime the panic log was different. Check 2-3 logs randomly. If the log was different, then possible issues with others too. In my case, all log looks the same. Here you can see ARM I2C0, like that means some problem with charging flags. In such case, most of the issues are from charging flags. Let's check, can you repair these flags or we have to replace new others. After some diagnosis and my own experience, I have taught on vibrator connector. Let's resolve it. If you have this panic log, then no need to replace the flags. The old flags works. Let's put that flags. I skip the replace process. Let's insert the charger. Now you can see the Apple logo appears, means the fault might be solved. The log was automatically deleted after the rest of the time. Let's start timer and check. The 5-minute crossed with no any restart issues and not shutting down, means the problem was fixed. That's it for today guys. Hope you enjoyed it. If that video is helpful, then don't forget to like and subscribe. Hello everyone, this is Akash from the Thegsmsolution signing out.